6 Ways to Make Money on YouTube. Kickstart your journey. 1. Freelancing. If you have a skill, like graphic design or writing, you can offer your services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Freelancers can earn anywhere from a few dollars to hundreds of dollars per project, depending on the scope and complexity of the work. 1. Online tutoring. If you're an expert in a subject, you can offer online tutoring services and help others learn. Popular platforms for online tutoring include TutorMe and Schooly. Perfect for a small follower base. 2. Recommend products to your fans. Sell products online. If you're creative, you can turn your ideas into products and sell them on e-commerce platforms like Amazon or Etsy. This can include physical products like jewelry or artwork, or digital products like ebooks or stock photos. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales. You can promote products through a blog, website, or social media and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. Online surveys. If you have some free time and enjoy expressing your opinions, you can participate in online surveys and get paid for your feedback. Popular survey platforms include SurveyJunkie and Swagbucks. Dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to start an e-commerce store without holding any inventory. You partner with a supplier who handles all the shipping and fulfillment for you. All you need to do is promote the products and handle the customer service. 6.
Subscribe for more tips. Subscribe for more tips. Subscribe for more tips. Subscribe for more tips. Subscribe for more tips.